Hello, today I will be walking you through my Python final. So first we start with an import random, and this is just going to import us random numbers when we use the random function here. Then we're going to make sure we're changing our directory, so we're in our directory, or so we can access our files that we have in here. And then we have our file names, so we're importing ascending, and then we're changing the name of ascending to this, and then we're doing the same thing with descending, and then that's going to rename it to this. Middle first is going to be changed to this. Original numbers will be changed to this. And we're going to get a bunch of random numbers, 1,000 random numbers, or sorry, 5,000 random numbers that can be anywhere from 1 to 100,000. This just creates a copy of each list that we're going to create, and we're going to print out everything here. Next up, we have the ascending code, and this in the files for it. So we're going to create a function, and then we're going to get the index length, and then we're going to subtract 1, and then we're going to set sorted flags to be false. And then we're going to pretty much do a while loop, and then it's just going to keep flipping not flipping, but sorting through everything, and then comparing it and adding one, and then returning each number, so that way it's from, like, it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and incrementally it's going up. It organizes from highest or lowest to highest. Here we are going to set a function called middle first. And then I just put that in an empty list. And then this code here, middle, this is to get the middle of the list. So that way, when we're returning the middle number, we can then go to the right and to the left, and then we're going to keep returning that. And this is going to loop while we're inside of that list. And if the middle is minus x, so this is going to be returning the number to the left, and then this is going to be returning to the number to the right of the middle, and it just keeps swapping until the whole list has been returned. Here is where we're importing our random numbers, so this is just getting us the random numbers from 5,000 random numbers with from 1 to 100,000. And then here we're creating another function with list as the uh, attribute. Sorry. And then we're going to loop through everything, and if the list is less than. Okay. So what this is doing is it's creating a copy of the list, and then we loop through the whole list. We then loop through the whole range, and then we shrink it for I. And then this is just checking if the number is lower than the number next to it. So if it's like a 2 or a 3, it's going to check if that number is a 2 or a 3. And then this is just swapping the higher number for the lower number, so that way we're organizing it from descending to ascending, no, descending to ascending. And then that's all the code.